call all the political party meeting.
Katna ki kampen roisor ka jela kalarai ban khot yaga expression of interest batmai man pen itu ya ka jaka bretnyot na ka benta ka sor jawai haba pen sngo ya kani usembut menteri rangba ka jela bakmi menteri rangba ka jela bakmi ka kampen roisor ba snyo belangdar uloong ba karai ban khot ya ka EOI ka batmai ha ka jingalang kalong namar ba ka tanat kamhun ya ki jaka bala terwa na ka benta ki jaka theknyot na ba kimlong ki babyang ulapen kenau ba ka tanat kala ulapan kan wa bakatanat kala penmi ya ka jingpen bena bat ki try jaka ki badan ya kamon kila IT ya ki application jongki.
Actually, I have followed an EOI for the last few months before election. So it seemed the applicant which we had been received, the land which has been submitted is not up to the mark. So I think this week I'll go for a fresh application for the interested landlord to offer that. An inspection has been gone for different places. Some place is not feasible. That is the reason. So it seems we have to go for the fresh EOI next week. That's the plan. So I'm trying to locate a new landfill. And